Can you share some of your strategies with the new brand, how you are going to take on the established players?
So Vayu is a brand which is for the digital natives. It is building an ecosystem of developers, of tech enthusiasts, of consumers who want to co-create. So today's generation is all about personalization, about creating your own thing, about doing your own thing. And that's where Vayu comes around. The brand philosophy is play God. It's for the creators. That's what we are positioned at. We are going to work directly with this consumer set. We are going to work and initiate and strive towards building a strong ecosystem within India, which will develop and create not only mobile devices, but it is Internet of Things. So there will be multiple devices, and the work would happen not only on hardware, on software as well. And we have a very strong partner in Cyanogen who brings a product which is completely based on Android and which has all the cool features. So that's really why we are here. We want to delight, we want to surprise, and we want to create that awesomeness in the product that we bring out to consumers.
What are the new things you are offering to the consumer in terms of customer care, in terms of after sales service, etc.?
So since it's a product that's going to be sold only online and it's completely digital, the way we are going to engage consumers, the way we are going to engage developers, the way we are going to co-create, everything is online. The same philosophy is being carried forward in the services as well. So the consumers are going to get a door-to-door service. If you have a problem with your phone, there will be a troubleshooting that the customer service helpline will do. They'll try to resolve your problem. If that does not get resolved, a complaint would get logged into the system, and you would get a door-to-door service where a replacement device would be given to you and your device would go back.
In terms of specs, are there any new things you're offering to the consumer?
I think today's presentation by Rahul was very, very detailed. There are a lot of features that we are bringing about, which are new and which are first in India, which are going to be available at the kind of price point that we are bringing them. The 64-bit 4G LTE. So this is a future-ready device. And in terms of performance, in terms of security, in terms of personalization, Indian consumer has not seen, in fact, the world consumer has not seen such a product. So it's really revolutionary product that we're bringing.
In terms of the pricing, how did you manage this kind of pricing? It's a 9,000 rupees and fantastic specs features. So how did you manage the pricing?
So that's core to our business. We look at consumers and we design products that delight consumers, and consumers looking for value. So the pricing comes from consumers really. It doesn't come from cost plus.
Being an online brand, you are trying to limit yourself in terms of your exposure. So how do you take on the established players which are available offline as well?
I don't think it's about limiting. We see it quite the contrary. The market is world market for you. It's not just India. So the moment the brand is online, you can reach anybody who's digital, who's in your demographics and psychographics. Competition is in any business, and we know how to compete in the market. As long as we are completely true to what we are doing, as long as we make consumer experience as the top deliverable in our business, and that's what we are committed to, we'll win with the consumers.
How do you compete with your own brand? There is Micromats coming, there are a lot of innovative products there also. So will it create some kind of confusion to the market?
See, today we are here to talk about Vayu, and I can say that the consumers of Vayu are digital natives. They are the ones who are at the cutting edge of technology, cutting edge of new innovations that happen on OS, new innovations that happen on devices. And those are the consumers we are directly reaching out to. This is a different business model, reaching out to a different business set.